Greeting viewers. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn about basics of strings in Python. So basically, what are strings? In Python, a sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes is known as a string. Also remember that triple quotes are used to represent multi-line strings. To create a string in Python, you simply have to enclose those characters in quotes. For example, if we write a equal to simply double or single quotes, then it is known as an empty string. Now if we write str equal to double quotes Microsoft, then we have a string named str which has the characters of the word Microsoft. We can also print each character of the string we create by writing the index values of the particular character we want. This process is also known as traversing of a list, which means accessing the characters of the string one after the other using the index value. Also, there are two types of index value. The first one is the one which starts with 0 and is counted from left to right, while the second one is from -1, which is counted from right to left. Like you can see on the screen, if we traverse the string str, then first one can be writing print bracket str square bracket 0, which would print m. Now if we want the same character, that is m, to be printed but with the help of negative index value, then we can do the same by writing print bracket str square bracket -9, which would print m. We have two ways of traversing a list, which are either using in operator or by using range function. The next is the concatenation of two strings. It is usually done by writing plus sign between the two strings, as you can see on the screen. One thing that you have to keep in mind is that this operator requires both operands to be of the string type. Like if we take str1 equal to hello and the next one str2 equal to 4, then when we run this it will show an error. Whereas if we change str2 to hi and then run it, then it will display hello e as the output. So that was all for the basics of the strings. So now let us practice some of the basic programs involving strings. First of all, we will write a program to display each character of the string given by the user in a new line. Well, if you want to try it, then stop the video and try it yourself and then match it with how we will continue. Hence, to accept a string from the user, we will first write the input string to be new str and then write the command input enter a string. Now to display we can use any other variable. For example, I am using I. So for I in new str colon print I. Now if I run it and write the word relax, then as visible the command prints each character of the string in a new line. Now this is the last program for today, and then we will meet in the next video with other topics and other programs. So let us finish the last one quickly. Now you have to type a program which would accept a string from the user and display the number of time the alphabet B occurred in the string written by the user. Here you can take any element other than B. We are taking B just as an example. So if you are getting any way of solving this example, then pause the video and type it and check the output. I know many of you will be able to achieve it. So let us now resume. If we take a string named web and type the basic format of accepting the value from the user, and now we come to the main point, which is to count the number of times the character B in the string we will be entering. So for that, first we will define a variable o equal to 0 and then write for g in web, if g double equal to B or g double equal to capital B, colon g equals g plus 1, which means that this will count the number of time B or capital B occurring in the string and then display it by increasing the value by 1. Now we will write print r, that to not in the indentation, because if we do so then the program will print the value of o, that is 0, the number of times B occurs in the string, instead of printing the number. So as you can see, we get the output as 4 because in the string Bobby Boss B occurred 4 times. So that was all for today. In the next video we will learn more things from the same topic. So if you liked the video, then smash the like button, subscribe the channel for more educational videos, and also set the bell notifications on all so that you do not miss any video.